Alright, so what I got here in front of me is my ported intake that's going to go on the car. And right now I'm just setting the throttle bodies up so that when I do swap it, it's just ready to go. These are 2-inch, overboard units, and because of that, these particular ones do not have the transfer slot for the idle adjustment anymore. As you can see, it's blocked off. So, to put it simply, we just got to do a linkage sync on it. The way I'm going to do it's pretty straightforward, and I've exaggerated the linkage issue so that you can just get a better feel for it. So you can see here, this throttle body is obviously way out of adjustment compared to that one. So all we're going to do is we're just going to drop a drill bit of the same size in both of these and just bring them together until they're both pinching the bit about the same amount. So let me just get that set up real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so I just got 2 drill bits that are the same size. These ones happen to be 9/32. It doesn't really matter, but as you can see, we got that one just dropped right in, straight down, so that it holds that throttle body open. And as you can see on this one, there's a gap. So all that really needs to be done is this one just needs to be brought in so that it holds it by using this little guy right here, and that's just a 9/32 bolt to adjust it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this bit here, and then I'm going to come off camera because I need 2 hands and just bring that in. Alright, so I've put a few turns in on that adjuster, and now as you can see, my bit, it just barely touches it. So all I gotta do is give it an extra quarter turn or so, and now you can see it's just ever so slightly touching it. And all I'm going to do is just give it a turn. And as you can see, this one slides up and down relatively easily. This one's a little bit easier. And I'm just going for about the same amount of resistance on both of them. Now I overshot a little bit. Now this one's a little easier, so I'll just back this off like quarter-ish turn. And they both feel pretty much identical now. So if we take a look, we can see down in here, it's just barely a little bit open. And the same goes for that one. Obviously there's no slop in my linkage arms or anything like that. And that would be synced. So now all you'd have to do is just adjust your 1 set screw here, which gives you your initial open, and that'll set how the idle air control valves work. Now granted, on my car it's different than stock and everything, so you're going to do what you're going to do, but when I do it, I usually set it for whatever my commanded RPM speed is. I'll just sit here and tweak this until I see about 20 steps at warm idle, because then I know I'm good. It'll step down if it needs to step down, and it'll step up if it needs to step up. Obviously, you don't want to be running at 100 steps, or you don't want to be running at 1 or 2. So that's pretty good. But yeah, that's just quick tip video. how I do it because I don't have fees. Obviously, the method of using the manometer gauge on these and actually balancing them at idle and then balancing them as you come off idle is going to be better. But realistically, this is going to be close enough where you probably wouldn't even notice it. And the nice part about it is I can loosen this bolt, the two outside ones, and it's assembled ready to go on my plate to just drop into the car. So, thanks for watching.